I've got the feeling that someone... Nasty! And it's nice to see you too, Logan.
You sound as irritating as Spider-Man, but you don't smell right. You're one of them.
One of who? One of... Wait, you can smell the...
Yeah, and you're one of them, bub. What are your parents' names?
Shut up and fight!
Wrong answer. Whose killers did we track in Berlin?
No more questions!
You're not funny. Hold on, bub. Nice move, bringing your pals along.
Oh, no.
Don't go away now. Where did you first wear the black suit?
The shower. And how would you know that?
Don't push me, bub. Who declined joining the new Avengers?
Enough talk.
You're getting nowhere. Here we go again! What is critical mass?
I said fight!
Oh, you're a real wise guy. Who served us roast and pie?
Let's end this.
You're making this worse.
We can keep doing this, or you can help me.
I don't know how you're doing it, but I guess you can control this parasite. Use it.
Just help me recognize them. I can't tell if someone's infected or not.
All right, I'll try. But you're playing with fire, kid. That thing gets control of you, it's over. I think I can help you out with this who's got a case of alien worms in them business.
Tell me what you have in mind.
When I detect one of these freaks, I'll point him out. Then you try tuning that spider sense stuff of yours to it.
I'll give it my best.